Okay, here we go. We got our Lost Kitties little milk cartons. We're gonna open them up. Here's a few that we've got already. There's 36 that you can collect from, and they're pretty neat and buried in Play-Doh. All right, Bean, open up the first one. There you go.
Collector's guide.
Okay. This is the sheet like in the background. These are some of the options. Doesn't want to focus. There we are. Pretty cute little guys. All right.
Oh, silly.
All right. Now, if you see this, that's full of Play-Doh, and they're inside the little brick of Play-Doh. Comes out like that, almost in a sandwich, or you can dig them out. This is the character sticker that you get on the inside, and here you go, Bean. You can grab those little accessories that came with it out.
It has a spoon.
And this is actually a molding clay that you can shape little stands or backgrounds or integrate with the characters.
And a little scooper. Little scooper, guys.
Okay, Bean. You want to open it up and see what we got?
Yeah, let's see. I know who we got already because I saw the picture.
Who is it?
I don't know his name though.
Well, let's see who we got here. He looks happy.
He's funny too.
So, we'll put him right there. And what accessories did he come with?
He comes with a scooper and a spoon.
Well, based on this, his name is Pants.
I knew it was pants.
Okay, so let's try the next one.
So I could open it?
We'll open it like a milk carton. We got two more for us to do, and you'll do the next one after this one. Okay. Look, this one's brown. Well, might have to dig this one out a little bit. There we go. Here's the sticker. Don't want to show that and give away the character. Look at there. That's a little duck.
Yeah, purple one. And a smoothie too.
Alright.
Who do we get?
Let's see here. What do you think this one is?
I don't know.
What do you hope it is? You want to take it out and see?
Oh, silly. Like weird.
Look at him.
Isn't he cute?
Yeah. Be nice if the camera would zoom on him. What's his name? Let's see. He is purple. I don't know. Which one is he?
I don't know.
Oh, is that him? His name is Drizzle.
Drizzle.
Okay, why don't you open this one up and see what's in there.
Oh, it's been like yours too.
There you go. Digging it out of there.
That's what I do with Play-Doh. Dig it out. Come on here, guys.
Here, let me see it. Oh, you almost had it there. There you go.
It's stuck in there.
And let's see in here. This time you got a pink duck.
And a purple butterfly.
It is a purple butterfly.
Do you know how I knowed?
Mm-mm.
Because I saw it. Oh,
You saw it in there?
I just saw it. What did I do?
Okay. Did we get another one of him?
What?
It looks like we got another one.
Yeah, but now we have a different one.
That's okay. That's kind of what comes with the mystery boxes. Sometimes you'll get more than one when you're trying to get them all. So here's the last one we got. Here's our book. Oh, this one has pink.
I know, I love those pink ones. Do you know which one came into pink?
Mm-mm.
This one came into pink.
You did?
Actually, this one came into white and
It's squishy.
this is the color Play-Doh is. Squishy. It's your very first time playing with Play-Doh.
All right.
Let's see what surprises we got here. That was funny.
What is that?
A sticky thing?
Sticky thing? What's a sticky thing? Kind of looks like a plunger.
Thing.
Maybe. Here's a pink brush.
Pretty.
Goes with the pink. Okay. All right, let's see which one you got in there. All right, look at that. Got a puff ball. I don't think he's using that blow dryer too good, is he?
No.
Maybe that's why he's got the brush here. But I don't think it's going to do him too much good, is it?
No.
Well, there's some of the ones that we've got so far, but they're a lot of fun. And then you can take the Play-Doh and make some different things with them. And if you've got a lot of kids, or kids that play with Play-Doh often, it's good to refill the tubes a little bit.
I like puppy paws.
All right, till next time.